did you say?
Papa said I will buy.
Oh, you want to buy?
Yeah.
No, we eat already. But I want to help Tito Jan to paint. I will not go. Magpinta tayo. Ito ang trabaho ko ngayon. Tulungan ko si Jan. Ito, pintahin natin ito.
Mommy speaking English na.
Yung... Hello. What?
Mommy, Mama.
Baba. Pagsarita. Sabi ni Bella, speak English, mami. So, pintahan natin ito. Hindi pa tapos yan. Para may matapos. Amig atin dyan? Hoy!
Tuh, ditipay kayak majuan, stand.
Jai. Udah. Kailangan i-rush na ano, katatawag lang ng asawa ko. Ala, apa silang duro-durawin ito yun? Ito. Walang tatagal sa bahay na ito. Wala pang wala. Ano na? Maan mami ah, gulol ka ah. Sinabuag toy. Yan oh. What's this? Or si ano ito? Yung aso.
Ay, Mama. Ay, ayang kalimutan ko ni Egay.
Bicol man. Yesterday.
No.
I know you're not like. Don't like, okay? That's what you like.
Wow, Betty Mano, your house.
Yes. Beautiful.
You come here, you come here, not to school. What's that, Alice?
Ano? Patanggal mo na ito yung hagdan mo na.
Atoy?
Pabuda lang yun ako.
I'm working. What you want? You pay.
What you want?
Mommy, I want gatas.
Aha, I'm busy now. Afterwards, okay? When Cheyenne wake up,
What are you doing this afternoon?
sleeping. You can wait? Okay. La, don't make mess inside. I will shout you.
Oh yes.
Okay.
What is it? Mommy, what not? You don't go the elevator up?
Bala, I will go. You're naughty. I will go home now.
No. Hindi ang lambot yun.
What I say? I didn't say anything.
That's why she's annoying, Mommy. That's why you wanna go home.
Why you don't want me to go to Lebanon?
She wants to annoy your friends. Your friends.
Your friends for me? Your friends for me daw. You're not listening to me.
Goodbye.
Don't take na ID ko, baka makuha. Wala ba ah? That is Lolo.
I don't know. I think she's following us.
Huh? You come here without Lolo?
The king sent us. He put Bella here in the bicycle, and I was riding. And then he said, "I go."
Where is Lolo
I
Laken?
don't know. I thought he was following us.
What?
He's down, I think.
Bye-bye.
Oh, badi damot amuni ay nanay katang. Wait, Bel, ay dito kami sa bukid. Saan na si Tatang? Lahat kami andito, oh. Si Cheyenne, si Bella. Ang kayo nagkikinawatan na Wait, Kian, don't go now.
Fine.
We will see if Lolo is here. Ah, he's here. Lolo is here. Mas matingkad ang Ate gisingin? Ay, win, adabasa ni Bella niya orason?
Wah, pa lang. 10 pa lang.
Ah, okay. Ito pala ang bayog. Mas
Dili, ay kawayan.
Ay, kawayan pala dito ito. Mas matigas. Ay, yung straight. Ito, yung nagbe-bend siya. Yan yung kawayan. Hindi ko kasi mapag-ano. Ito yung pwede sa bahay. Mga alam nyo. Ah, laki oh. Ay, tinapon yung talong. Sira na siguro yun. Sasakay kami ng kariton. Kinuha ni Tatang yung ano niya, kalabaw. Iparanas natin sa mga bata. Bakit?
He stepped on the steel.
Who?
And Mahu, he is big. It might break.
Sander?
Yeah.
Masander, masisira.
Bro, you roasted him.
Guys, oh, dalaman na ni oh. Yung betel nut na munga na.
Buwan. Buwan tatang yun.
Walang kun. Bungan. Parang nga agbuo, mabuo.
Nalawang na to. It's following.
Ata ni dakkulen. Ay dalaom.
Naloom.
Aya.
Silang ako ma.
Awan, nabus-ibus dan.
Lakas sila ang katulog.
So big.
Ape, may tatangan.
Ang kaysa nagkikinawa.
Hinihintay namin si Tatang kasi kinuha niya yung kalabaw. Gusto niya iparanas. Kumbaga yung mga bata, nung last week pa sila gusto sumakay ng kalabaw. Kaso, dahil busy kami, alam nyo, and then si Tatang medyo nagpapagaling pa siya. Ngayon, naka-recover na siya. Medyo okay naman na siya. Nakakapagtrabaho na siya sa bukid pero hinay-hinay lang siya. May limit siya, hindi dati yung todo trabaho siya. So ngayon, dahil wala siyang masyadong gawain, ayun, pagbigyan niya ang mga bata. Kasi since kahapon pa, Lolo, we want to ride Carabao. Ganun si Shayan. Si Shayan ang eager na sumakay. O, yun. Kaya, andyan na siya. Parating na siya. Ayan na siya. Dito, sa baba, sa taniman niya. Ito na yung palay. Oh, maano na din sila. Pangkain nila ito. Hintayin natin. Parating na siya. Kita ko na, naka-orange siya. Sakay sa saan. Ayan na si Lolo. May maliit na waig si Tatang ito. Tanungin ko kung saan niya nilagay yung kalingkasan niya. Andyan na! Tapi na di karisun nyo? May isa. Ape, nang kabilan nyo? Ha, nang kabilan nyo aji ko ha? Palingkasa? Awamot?
Makita mo rin.
Ha, na magamot?
Naman.
Okay. Era si Lolo. Excited ang mga bata ba? Kanya kaya nilagay? Magparami siya. Purwa-purwak yun?
Oo, muti na niya karison.
Yun na ng kabilan nyo?
Pabigyan sa mo likod. Oh.
Kabilan nyo ka. Atama tayo.
Pabigyan sa mo likod. Pabigyan likod.
Wow!
Toy, hanga pwede? Ay, flat pala siya. Wait! Atama tayo. Nagsakay kayo nga talutan. Akala ko kaliton. Wait, kutok tipan nyo ta. Si Bella, paano? Kasya kayo dita. Tunumanag kayo? 7-2 pa ata? Oh, magbagdanaklatan.
Magnakita ko natin.
You don't ride because it's dangerous. Hoy pa! Kuha mo ta sapatos na dyan eh. Jong! Bangkis! It's wrong!
Pagigit ka eh.
Ayan na siya yanan.
Nag-bike.
Oh, Sander! Go now! Come, go. Oh, you... Wait, pag tugawin nyo kung magawin, put down this one.
Ayan, right.
Wow!
My other one, Mommy. You have to jump.
Ang ka ba nagpantalon, gagatuldot na sa kamon, DJ ito karasundutan.
Wait, Sander.
Bako,
Jump. Oh, jump, nali ka na.
I can't go.
Iya, sudog yung comment.
Lasak.
Ikaw man, Jong.
Kakatil. Nakataktak ko, nakatakay.
Ayoko na pala. Ayoko.
Hindi, try mo. Ayaw mo? O, di maglakad na lang tayo. Isakay ka na lang
He was
doon.
snatching my balls
O,
away.
Bella, halika na, Bella. Sakay ka na.
Mommy, he was snatching
Sakluto nyo ka.
Sa harap.
Oh. Bak.
Wait, Mom.
Ipag-ibigid ikaw, ma.
Katani! Sander! Ajini, sakluto nyo ka. Garanasan to.
And hold Lolo on me.
Sakluto nyo, Ajini. Garanasan to.
O, Sander, ayaw mo talaga. Alis na sila, oh. Oh, punta ka na kay Tito. Sakay ka na doon.
Maglaka, saya mo.
Ano? Ayaw mo?
Ayan, wala naman.
Mamaya, magkarito na lang.
Ganun kasi nasa likod pa ako.
Eh, ganun talaga. Kapit ka na lang kay Lulu.
Paano umarang sa tiyan? Hey, shut up siya!
Oy, sakay ka. Gusto mo? Oli ka na.
Alala ko may parang nilalagay sa likod yung kalabaw yan eh.
Oo nga, pero wala siya. Wala yung kalabaw. Ay, kalito ni Tatang nasa likod. Wawa naman si Nuang. Oh, si Pogi daw. Tara na, ay wag na. Saka na lang. Ayaw mo kasi. O, sakay ka na kay Tito. Doon, oh. Sakay ka na. Gulit ka dyan. Ewan ko saan pumunta.
Bumiyota! Is it hard to ride?
Yeah.
Yung taba, ayaw niyang sumakay, natakot.
Banana!
Ano?
Kaya, hold Lolo.
Ow! It hit me with this tail.
Tara po muna ito ba?
Pogi. Ate, lumabas kami pa.
Tagalog sakay ka. Dati, tarko kumot dato eh, panggalog.
Sa baba. Center.
They went down to the field!
No.
Searching!
You want to ride?
Actually, I want to ride.
Tang, agsakay ka nun eh.
You take the bike, you take the bike. Yes!
Yala, wait.
Like, I literally went down to the field.
Anak, magsasaka ang mga batang to.
Like, I was about to ask someone, did you see my lolo? I want to ride. Banana!
Sander, ingat ha. May tricy. Sander.
Are we going to the field?
Yeah.
Okay, I want to ride.
Oh, you can ride here.
So, bang seat.
Which one? How you will ride, Lakin? Yala, go now.
I cannot go up.
Bala, Lolo.
Come here. No! Ow!
Dito ka rin.
Hey, Bala, you Tell to the donkey to sit. Donkey, yeah?
Pagsukay ay, that's not a donkey, it's a carabao.
There is a way out. There was. You step on the wood. On him.
Step on the wood.
Suki yan, you like it?
Yeah, but my legs are like missing apart.
Open. Masakit daw yung ano niya. Diba, ay, ito, experience ng mga bata.
I want to ride this. Tata.
Oh, Bella is enjoying.
And that is not. Yeah. Like you, I literally went down over there.
Oh, doggy. It's dwarf dog, this one. It's dwarf. You see the face? Yeah. You see? It's dwarf dog. Okay. Sander! Don't go. Don't. Mabas ka eh.
Alalayo!
Bye, Papa. Bye-bye, Papa. Bye, Papa.
Hindi siya yan to do.
Gonna break now. Oh no, we go down.
Yeah.
Just hold on the rope. Hold on the rope, Papa. You go hold my side. Hey, how about you tighten your legs around the carabao?
Nea, dati, try say. Uy, where is your hat?
You see, Papa, it's crazy.
Ha? Naka-film ata. Isangod ako. Ay, pa-stopin niyo may lang ha.
Oh, you say ho when you stop. Oh, ho. If you start, hing. You say hing.
Hing! Hing!
La, hey, hey, hey.
Go to the salon. I wanna drive. Why is not going?
Oh, you say hing. Hey. Don't like. Now. Hey, hey.
Ate, you just have to kiss it.
Lag na. Hey.
Can I drive it later?
Nayawa mo tan.
Diya ka na isamang ko.
Can I drive it later?
Awa mo tan.
Tata, can I drive it later?
No.
Yes?
Hindi makitaan.
Tata, please. Please, I wanna drive it as well. Let's. Do this one. Whoa. I have a car now. Whoa, whoa. Whoa. In the middle. In the middle. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You see, he listens to me now.
I-vlog down to. Joyride na ka. Hmm. Ah.
Wow!
Say, he, he.
Ate, you have to kick it. You have to kick it.
Start, you say hing. Hing.
Ate, you have to-
Oh, push there. Pull, pull.
Oh.
Oh.
Wow. I'm hitting it.
Oh. Yala, kick.
Now you kick the You kick the body.
Oh, pull in the right. Pull him.
It's going to the house.
Nagkikit, oh.